The Xiaomi Laser Projector giveaway is still open for another 4 days. Details on how to enter are linked in the video description. Feel free to enter and good luck. So starting off on a positive, this is Johnny from Finland, the winner of the Wabutu TAD giveaway. He got his in the post today, so if you'd like a chance of winning some prizes, feel free to subscribe to the channel and make sure that bell icon is turned on. Hey, what's up everybody, Mike back with another video. So this is the Xiaomi Laser Projector tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add English settings in under 5 minutes or less. Now all we're going to need to achieve this is a flash drive. We're also going to need access to the internet and a laptop to download a zip file, and all this will do is add English settings, so when you're actually in screen or in movie, you can press the side button and you bring up all the display menus, the audio menus, and you understand what everything means. So you can actually change the color temperatures, the profile, you can change your audio, all of that stuff. So let me show you what we're fixing. So if you go into the settings menu, everything's in Chinese except for the word USB and Wi-Fi. I don't think they've got a Chinese word for that, that's just my opinion. Go into the settings and you can see everything is still in Chinese, and while you're in movie or in game, and if you bring up the side options to change your images, as you can see, still Chinese. All 3 settings that pop up are still in Chinese. So we're going to fix this and add some English settings right now. First thing you want to do is head over to gearbest.com, not .co.uk or any of the other ones. Go to gearbest.com and search for Xiaomi Laser Projector, and this should come up. So go ahead and click on the actual product page, and this will take you to the current product page. It's on a deal at the moment, link in the video description if you want to save a few more pennies. And you want to scroll halfway down, and amongst this you will see there is a highlighted point, but what you're looking for is that little red writing that says app. So go ahead and click on that and it will automatically download a zip file. I have all of my files that automatically go to my download folder. I haven't actually got a fixed folder. So I'm going to go into my downloads, copy this actual file that I've just downloaded and just throw it over onto my desktop like so. And then I'll just close everything down. Now what we want to do is copy this onto a flash drive. But before we do this, we're going to extract the APK file. So as you can see, we've got that APK that we've extracted from the zip file. You don't even need the zip file anymore. We just want that APK. Once we've got that APK, go ahead and plug in your flash drive, whatever flash drive that you're using. I've got some stuff on mine. I should have emptied it. It would have made for a much cleaner video, but that's not me. So then I'm going to copy this APK into that flash drive folder. Make sure it goes in the root, so basically don't put it into any subfolders or anything like that. So as you can see, we've just dragged and dropped this, and the last thing you can do is to rename the file to whatever you want, so you know exactly what you're looking for when you plug in that flash drive. Remove your flash drive, and now we have a flash drive with the settings APK, the correct settings APK. Go ahead and plug that into the side port of the Xiaomi Laser Projector and this menu will pop up. You'll see an image of a flash drive, which is the very first one. That's the one that we want to stay on. So go ahead and press select, and that will take you to this screen, Toshiba USB. Click that one, and then right there you can see our settings APK. As you can see, it's the top one, don't move anywhere. Go ahead and click OK. It'll bring this up. Stay on the one that's selected and install, and press OK again. Yes, it's in Chinese, just stay where you are, press OK and OK. Return back to HDMI source. So now as you can see, I'm back on my Virgin TV, and let me show you guys, let me just flick through a program channel, something bright so the camera doesn't go all fuzzy. There you go. Now if I press the sub menu now, it will still bring up, there you go, it will still bring up Chinese settings. Nothing looks like it's changed. So what you need to do now, as you can see, there you go, if I go into one of the settings, it's still Chinese. Go back to home, and now you can see the settings on the bottom is in Chinese, and if you scroll to the top, you'll see that you have a settings app that's in English. So go ahead onto the one that says settings, and if you click on it, everything is still in Chinese. Now what you want to do is navigate towards the bottom, and you'll see this picture of the globe. Go ahead and click on it. Don't move from the grey highlighted section at the top. Stay on the top one. Press OK, and that will take you to this. And right at the bottom now, we have the word English. Go ahead and press on it, and voila, there you go. Everything turns to English. So you've got full Android settings that you can understand, all in English, so you can look for updates and all of that good stuff. Navigate away from this, and now let me just show you some of the menus, like the program menus. They will not change because we don't have access to this outside of China, but most of the settings have now changed. Navigating back to the Virgin TV box on HDMI 2, If I now go ahead and press the settings button, which I've done, and as you can see, display sound, playback settings, all of that stuff is now in English. Now you can customize that image to your surrounding or your environment or to your screen, and job done. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully that helps some of you out. If you're still unsure or got any questions, leave me in the comment section and I will do my best to reply. Just a quick reminder that the Xiaomi Laser Projector is still open. If you want to enter, you got 4 days. Best 720p recommendations, 1080p, 4K, short throw, all of that you guys ask me. I've linked it in the video description. So if you're ever wondering what I think is the best, check the video description. There will be a follow-up video. It's been a good few months now that I've had this projector and I've been using it as almost a TV replacement. So expect a full in-depth analysis of this projector coming in the next few weeks. Until next time, my name is Mike and thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.